how to fix internal exception Io.Netty.Handler.Codec.Decoder exception on Aternos. Now, first things first that you have to be reminded of is going to be under the Aternos.org website. Please do make sure that you are copying or you are using the correct seed of your world. And once you do, the next thing that we have to double check to avoid this specific issue is you have to use appropriate name. So let's quit on this game first, and then let's launch our T launcher. Now, this is what I'm talking about, your name right here. Now, sometimes um, that specific issues is happening because you are using more than 15 to 16 characters of your current name. Now, you will be seeing or you will be experiencing that specific issue if you use more than 15 characters of your name. So you'll have to be reminded that you need to use appropriate name or game name so you will be avoiding that issue. So that's simply it. Just double check your seed server and use appropriate name. So that's how you fix internal exception io.netty.handler.codec.decoder exception on Aternos.